Good morning, my dear teachers and friends. I am Bonapi Shaji. Today I am here to say a few words about Environment Day. Today, June 5th, is celebrated as World Environment Day every year globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. This day is also known as Eco Day, the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. This is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries usually. Thus, this day serves as an eye opener for many citizens who aren't aware of all this, as this encourages everyone to keep their nearby surroundings safe, clean, so everyone can have a cleaner, greener, and more prosperous future. With the coronavirus pandemic, the usage of plastic has increased. We can reduce the plastic usage. At last, I want to remind all to strengthen the world and ensure that nature is preserved at all costs. To increase the oxygen level during this COVID pandemic, let everybody plant a plant today. I am concluding my words. Thank you.